Hello Slaters, hope you all are doing good. Slaters, today we are going to talk about something that is very essential for all of us. But before we discuss on that, I would like to ask all of you a quick question. Can you all tell me, what do you ask your friend for if you want to visit his or her home? Correct. You ask them for the address. Now, address is something that is specific for everyone, isn't it? Address tells you where you need to go. And without the information on address and maps, we will be certainly lost, isn't it? Addresses are associated with specific directions to reach a specific place. Nowadays, technology has become very helpful to us in making our lives easy. You all must have heard about Google Maps, isn't it? Google is a big technology company which provides people with easy solutions for everything. It uses internet technology to make applications and softwares which help us in doing different things easily. The lady in the Google Map application keeps on guiding us and tells us the directions that we should follow in order to reach to our destination. But Slaters, imagine if one day there is no internet facility available. Then what would we all do? It is simple. What we can do is to understand the basic information about reading maps and directions. This will help us in finding our ways just by looking at the map. Wow, that would be amazing, isn't it? So Slaters, in our third lesson, we will be learning the science of maps and directions. Now let's think about this. If someone asks you where is your school located, what will you say? Yes, you will give them the address of your school, isn't it? They will find the address in the map and then reach to your school. So Slaters map is a drawing of an area which shows the location of different places. It is an important tool for finding different places. We also have maps of our homes. However, these maps are called plans. They provide us with the outline of different rooms in the building. And they also mention the directions. Maps are small and can be carried along in the pocket while traveling. They mention various places in an area and also mentions the distances. It uses various signs and symbols to indicate several public places like railway station, hospital, restaurants, churches, bridges, and so on. These places are also called landmarks. They are buildings which are well known and can be easily spotted. Now Slaters, directions are also very important components of finding a location. If you don't know which direction to move, then you might miss the location. Slaters, you all know that there are two basic sides which we commonly use in our day-to-day life to locate things. We either say left or right. Furthermore, we also use forwards, backwards, up and down to direct people for different things. In a similar way, when you use a map, you use 4 directions, which includes north, east, south and west. These 4 directions are called cardinal directions. Now Slaters, we know that our planet Earth is a sphere. So how can we have specific directions? Slaters, these directions are defined based on Earth's rotation. Yes, east is the direction of Earth's rotation and the sun always rises from this direction. The room in which your home gets the first rays of sun is located in the eastern part of your house. West is always opposite to the east. The 2 extreme poles of Earth make the north and the south poles. So Slaters, a very easy way to remember the directions is to remember a mnemonic, never eat shredded wheat. Here, never is for north, eat for east, shredded for south and wheat for west. The most important tool to find directions is to use a compass. A compass is an instrument which not only shows the main cardinal directions, which are north, east, south and west, but also shows the ordinal directions, which are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. In earlier times, sailors used to use compass for finding the ways in the seas. The needle of the compass always points towards the north, no matter how you position it. Once you find the north direction, rest of the directions can be easily found. Maps and directions help us in finding places in and around our neighborhood. So Slaters, from the coming sessions, we will be learning about different maps and directions to find our way to the knowledge about them. Slaters, I would like you all to read the lesson once and be ready with your textbook and required stationery from the next sessions. I will meet you soon. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.